So in the last class, I give one question as a homework. See this question. Is integration of 1 upon root of x minus a into x minus b. It is in the form of 1 upon root of ax square plus bx plus c. In this, what you are doing? We are making it a perfect square. First multiply this. It is 1 upon root of x square minus a plus b into x plus ab when you multiply, and on the side write down this, make it a perfect square. X square minus a plus b into x plus ab. X coefficient is what? X coefficient is a plus b. Half of that is a plus b by 2. X square minus a plus b into x plus a plus b by 2 whole square plus ab minus a plus b upon 2 whole square. Anyhow, these three gives you the perfect square as x minus this side comes a plus b upon 2 whole square, and when you solve this plus ab minus a plus b whole square upon 4. This term I kept as it is x minus a plus b upon 2 whole square plus 4ab minus in the bracket a square plus b square plus 2ab whole divided by 4. So this term as it is x minus a plus b upon 2 whole square plus what is remaining if you remove the bracket 4ab minus a square minus b square minus 2ab divided by 4. X minus a plus b upon 2 whole square plus in the bracket I am writing minus a square minus b square plus 2ab divided by 4. So this is in the bracket. For our convenient I am writing x minus a plus b upon 2 whole square. I took minus common. In the bracket a square plus b square minus 2ab whole divided by 4. Or we can write it as x minus a plus b upon 2 whole square. It is minus a minus b upon 2 whole square. Correct or not? A square plus b square minus 2ab is a minus b whole square. This is upon 4. So given problem is written as 1 upon root of x minus a plus b upon 2 whole square minus a minus b upon 2 whole square into dx. And our convenient, I am writing x minus a plus b upon 2 as a t. Put x minus a plus b upon 2 is equal to t. Dx is equal to dt. It is 1 upon root of t square minus a minus b upon 2 whole square into dx. Now have you remembered the formula? Yes, it is in the form of 1 upon root of x square minus a square into dx. That is log of x plus root of x square minus a square. It is log of t plus root of t square minus a minus b upon 2 whole square plus relevant t value. It is the log of t value is x minus a plus b upon 2 plus root of t square x minus a plus b upon 2 whole square minus a minus b upon 2 whole square. This is in the bracket. Remember, that is very important. X minus a plus b upon 2 whole square plus c. If you want, you can simplify, otherwise keep adding this. Moving to the next example. That example also I gave as a homework. See, this is a homework in the last class. Integration of x plus 2 upon root of x square plus 2x plus 3. It is in the form of px plus q upon root of ax square plus bx plus c. So already you are familiar how to solve. This step, first we have to check whether the differentiation of denominator gives the numerator or what. Yes. What is the differentiation of x square? X square is 2x, but we have only x. That means the differentiation of denominator will not give you the numerator. So we are applying numerator is equal to a into differentiation of denominator plus b, where a and b are constants, and we have to write the denominator without root. X plus 2 is equal to a into differentiation of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus b. This is x plus 2 is equal to a as differentiation of x square is 2x plus the differentiation of 2x is 2 plus b. Let us call this as equation 1. Now I am removing the bracket. X plus 2 is equal to 2ax plus 2a plus b. By equating the coefficients of x and constants on both the sides, coefficient of x is 2a, here coefficient of x is 1, a is equal to 1 by 2. Then the term without x, 2a plus b, here without x is 2. A already we calculated, write down that value. 2 get cancels, 1 plus b is equal to 2, so b is equal to 1. Now write down this value in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes x plus 2 is equal to a is 1 by 2, 2x plus 2, b is 1. Now write down this value in the given integral. Given integral is, in place of x plus 2 we have to write 1 by 2, 2x plus 2 plus 1 upon root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. Take the denominator separately. It is 1 by 2, 2x plus 2 upon root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx plus 1 upon root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. Now see, tell me how you will integrate the first one. In the first one we have to write the denominator as a t. So actually we have to write on the right side, there is no place, here I am writing. In the first integral, put x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to t. This is 2x plus 2 into dx is dt. 1 by 2 integration of 1 by root t into dt. And in the second integral we have to make it a perfect square. Are you familiar? Yes. X square plus 2x plus 3. First we have to see the coefficient of x square. Yes, coefficient of x square is plus 1. First step is over. Next, coefficient of x is 2. Half of that is 1. This is x square plus 2x plus 1 square plus 3 minus 1 square. This is x plus 1 whole square plus 2. So this will be written as x plus 1 whole square. 2 will be written as root 2 whole square into dx. But again, for our convenience, I am writing x plus 1 as a u. T already we took. Dx is equal to du. Here this I kept as this because I want to integrate both at the same time. 1 upon root of u square plus root 2 square into d. Now 1 by root 2 constant. What is the integration of 1 by root x? 1 by root x is 2 root x. It is 2 root t plus log of u plus root of u square plus root 2 square plus c. Write all the t and u value. 2 get cancels. Root of t is x square plus 2x plus 3 plus log of what is the u value? U is x plus 2 plus x plus 1 x plus 1 plus root of x plus 1 whole square root 2 square is 2 plus 3, or it will be written as x square plus 2x plus 3 plus log of x plus 1. When you simplify this, it is x square plus 2x plus 3 plus 3. See, the sum is very simple. Moving to the next question, that is question number 22. This is also homework. Integration of x plus 3 upon x square minus 2x minus 5. Here, see, what about the differentiation of denominator? Differentiation of x square is 2x. It is not there. Differentiation of minus 2x is minus 2. It is also not there. So numerator is equal to a into differentiation of denominator plus b. We are moving this method. It is x plus 3 a into differentiation of x square minus 2x minus 5 plus b. X plus 3 is equal to a into differentiation of x square is 2x is minus 2 plus b. Let us call this as equation 1. Next step, I am removing the bracket. X plus 3 is equal to 2ax minus 2a plus b. By equating the coefficients of x and constants on both the sides. Here coefficient of x is 2a, here coefficient of x is 1. So a is equal to 1 by 2. Next, the term without x, minus 2a plus b is equal to 3. Minus 2, a value is 1 by 2 plus b is equal to 3. 2 get cancels. B is minus 1 plus b is equal to 3. What is b then? B is equal to 4. Write down this value in the given integral. So first in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes x plus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 in the bracket 2x minus 2 plus 4. Write down this value in the given integral. Therefore, given integral is, in the numerator we have to write this 1 by 2 2x minus 2 plus 4 whole divided by x square minus 2x minus 5 into dx. Now write the denominator for each term separately. So this will be 1 by 2, 2x minus 2 divided by x square minus 2x minus 5 into dx plus integration separately 4 upon x square minus 2x minus 5. See, the first one directly gives you the differentiation. In the first integral, put x square minus 2x minus 5 as a t. That is 2x minus 2 into dx is dt. It is 1 by 2, 1 by t into dt plus 4 outside 1 upon. In the second one, make it a perfect square. X square minus 2x minus 5. Here x square coefficient is 1. First step is completed. X coefficient is 2. Half of that is 1. So it is x minus 1 whole square minus 6. X minus 1 whole square 6 I am writing as root 6 square into dx. And 1 by 2 for our convenience, still I wrote this step as it is. Put x minus 1 as the t. Dx is dt. So not t, u, because t already we used. 4, 1 upon u square minus root 6 square into d. Now write out it values. 1 by 2 as it is, integration of 1 by t is log t plus 4. It is 1 upon 2a. A is root 6 log of. It is in the form of 1 upon x square minus a square. It is 1 by 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. So it is log of 1 upon 2a, log of x is u minus a is root 6 upon u plus root 6 plus c. So write down that value. T is 1 by 2 log of root t. So t value is what? X square minus 2x minus 5 plus 2 upon root 6 log of. Write down that log u value. U is x minus 1 whole square. That is x minus 1 minus root 6 upon x minus 1 plus root 6 plus c. Moving to the next question. So moving to the next question, that is question number 23. Here, what is the differentiation of x square to x? But we have a 5x. Again, that method is not possible. So we are moving to the next one. Numerator is equal to a into differentiation of denominator plus b. Denominator means without root we have to write. 5x plus 3 a into differentiation of x square plus 4x plus 10 plus b. 5x plus 3 as is a, differentiation of x square is 2x, 4x is 4 plus b. This is equation 1. Then remove the bracket. 5x plus 3 is equal to 2ax plus 4a plus b. By equating the coefficient of x and constants on both the sides. Here coefficient of x is 2a is equal to 5. A is 5 upon 2. Then the term without x, 4a plus b is equal to 3. Write down that a value. Plus b is equal to 3. They get cancels. 10 plus b is equal to 3. Then what is b? B is minus 7. Therefore, equation 1 becomes, see this is equation 1. 5x plus 3 is equal to 5 upon 2, write down that a value. 2x plus 4 minus 7. Now the given integral is written as integration of, instead of 5x plus 3 we have to write 5 upon 2, 2x plus 4 minus 7 upon root of x square plus 4x plus 10 into dx. Taking the denominator separately, sorry, not denominator, denominator separately for terms. It is 2x plus 4 upon root of x square plus 2x plus 10 into dx. It is minus 7 upon x square plus 4x plus 10 into dx. Yes students, if you are watching my videos thoroughly and regularly without missing, here I want to give you one important hint for your CAT. See the first integral. The first integral is in the form of f dash of x upon root of f of x. Correct or not? Differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of 2x. 5x plus. Sorry, it is 4x. Differentiation of 4x is 4. Differentiation of the denominator gives you the numerator or not? Is it in this form? Yes, it is 2 into root of f of x. Directly we can write. That's why I am not making any changes here. This is a very important CET or JEE hint. Now I am writing x square plus 4x plus 10. I will make it a perfect square. X square coefficient is plus 1. The first step is completed. X coefficient is 4. Half of that is 2. Plus 2 square plus 10 minus 2 square. This is x plus 2 whole square. 10 minus 4 is 6. So this I kept as it is, or directly I will write 2 into root of this formula. X square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 upon root of x plus 2 whole square plus root 6 square into dx. For our convenience, these two get cancels. Root of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 upon, see, put x plus 2 is equal to u or t. Dx is equal to dt. Under root t square plus root 6 square into dt. It is root of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus log of, sorry, 7 into, 7 is there, minus 7 into log of t plus root of t square plus root 6 square plus 6. It is root of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 log of, write down the t value, x plus 2 plus root of x plus 2 whole square plus root 6 square plus 6, or it will be written as root of x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 log of x plus 2 plus root of, when you expand this, x square plus 4x plus 10 plus c. Next we have two multiple choice questions. See, moving to the multiple choice question, question number 24. It is dx upon x square plus 2x plus 2. We have to make it a perfect square here. X square plus 2x plus 2. Already you are familiar. X square plus 2x, x coefficient is 2, half of that is 1. It is x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square. So it is dx upon x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square. Here I am not doing any substitution, directly I will write. It is in the form of 1 upon x square plus a square. That is 1 by a, tan inverse, a is 1. Tan inverse x plus 1 upon 1, that is multiple choice, answer is B. Moving to the next question, that is question number 25. See, it is 100% CT only, because if you are thorough in the calculations, directly you can mark only within 2-3 steps. 9x minus 4x square. 9x minus 4x square, we took minus 4 outside. X square minus 9 by 4, correct? Now minus 4 I kept as it is, x coefficient is 9 by 4, half of that is 9 by 8. 9 by 4x plus 9 by 8 whole square minus 9 by 8 whole square. I wrote 4 outside. First make it a perfect square. It is x minus 9 by 8 whole square minus 9 by 8 whole square. See, all the 4 answers have a sign inverse, okay. That means it definitely the answer comes in the form of sign inverse. Only thing we have to see which one is correct. Now I took minus inside. 4 outside. It is 9 by 8 whole square minus x minus 9 by 8 whole square. And students, you know that this comes under square root. What is the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2 and it is in the denominator. Square root of 4 is 2 means it is 1 by 2. Either the answer is B or D. And it is in the form of 1 upon root of a square minus x square. That is the sine inverse of, see I will write complete question here. It is dx upon root of 4 in the bracket 9 by 8 whole square minus x minus 9 by 8 whole square. It is in the form of 1 upon root of a square minus x square. Sine inverse x by a. X is what here? X is sine inverse. X is minus 9. X minus 9 by 8. A is 9 by 8 and outside is 1 by 2 because square root of 4 is 1 by 2. If you take the LCM, it is 8x minus 9 and this 8 and this after LCM 8 cancels. 8x minus 9 upon 9. 8x minus 9 upon 9 and 1 by 2 outside. So the answer is B. See, with this it completes the 4 methods of integration. In the next class, I will start with the partial fraction. Integration by method of partial fraction.